Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So this is Roy again with another pro tip for you. Here recently I've had to take and make up some fairly little short drifts and things for using with the power hammer or press. And one of the problems with anything that you're working with, short tooling or short pieces like this that need a lot of cleanup work or grinding work afterwards, is always the way of holding them. What I like to do in this instance is I like to take and weld on a handle. So I finished forging this actually on this handle, just a little handle, so this way I could work it under the power hammer with ease. But knowing that I'm going to cut this back section off and clean this all up is a good thing to leave it on in order to be able to clamp it and be able to work this piece very comfortably and be able to work all edges of this piece. And the other thing that you can do here is with a handle like this, just tack weld it on. That's all it has to be, is just tack weld it on enough that this ain't going to break off. You can use this now on the belt sander very comfortably without trying to hold a small piece in hand. So sometimes just a real quick tack weld is all you need on a little handle like this. It's a good ideal to keep several varieties of these little handles around. I'll just show you what I got here. Just make up a whole bunch of these out of some 1/4 inch round rod. Just enough, you know, again, a sacrificial handle that you can weld onto a piece and then cut off at a later date. You know, so you can weld it onto a piece that you need to be worked, and you can just cut that off and grind out that little weld booger there at the end of the whole process. So anyways, that's it for this technique. I hope it will help you, and kind of maybe it will help you with something that you were struggling in the shop with. So without further ado, God bless you, and I'm going to get back to forging. Have a great day.